Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Fast Cabling, where we dive deep into the world of technology and make it easy for everyone to understand. And today in this video, we have an exciting topic that's all about monitoring serial sensors over long distances. Now, whether you're managing remote environmental sensors, industrial equipment, or any other long-range applications, you will find this video incredibly helpful. And monitoring serial sensor over long distances is crucial for many industrial. It ensures that critical data is transmitted reliably, enabling timely decision and efficient operations. So today, we will explore 3 effective methods to achieve this: the long-range PoE, fiber optic, and wireless network bridges. So our first method is long-range power over Ethernet, also known as PoE. This technology is fantastic because it not only transmits data, but also provides power to your devices over a single Ethernet cable. A standard PoE has a distance limitation of around 100 meters. That's 328 feet. But with long-range PoE switch, now you can extend this range up to 800 meters. So here we have our long-range PoE switch. It is designed to push the boundaries of standard Ethernet, making them perfect for long-distance sensor installation. And some key benefits include extended range up to 800 meters, simplified cabling, and reliable power delivery. It is compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF and AT standard, that's PoE and PoE Plus, and supply 30 watts maximum output power. And also, we have this 300 meters PoE extension kit. Now, this handy kit can save the work to daisy chain multiple PoE extenders by enabling 300 meters continuous PoE cable between those 2 extenders. Now they obtain high reliability and simplicity thanks to a direct barrel waterproof design and simple plug-and-play installation. So next up, we have fiber optics, a technology that offers unmatched speed and reliability for long-distance communication. Now, fiber optic cables use lights to transmit data, making them immune to electromagnetic interference and capable of covering vast distances up to kilometers. And these cables are thinner and lighter than copper cables, yet they can transmit data over much longer distances with minimal signal loss. We also offer pre-made fiber optic cables. They're handy and effective option, enabling data transmission over fiber without complicated field termination, which is perfect for quick and convenient installation. And they're all tested in the factory, so you don't have to worry about the connectors. Now, in a fiber optic setup, you often need SFP modules, fiber media converters, or fiber switches. SFP modules connect your network devices to the fiber optic cables, while media converters or fiber switches bridge the gap between fiber and traditional Ethernet networks. And this setup ensures high-speed and reliable communication for your serial sensors. And our third method is using wireless network bridges. These devices extend your network wirelessly, making them ideal for locations where running cables is impractical. Now, wireless network bridges works by creating a point-to-point connection between 2 locations, or point to multi-point. And this setup can cover several kilometers, providing a stable and high-speed link for your sensors. Now here are one of our popular wireless network bridge model. With range up to 5 kilometers, these bridges are perfect for connecting buildings or outdoor locations that are too far apart for traditional Ethernet cables to reach. And with the robust 18 dBi directional antennas, these bridges can deliver stable and high-speed connectivity of up to 300 megabit per second without any lag Now, whether it's used to link two separate locations point to point directly or to broadcast a radio signals to multiple points from a central access point, this outdoor wireless network reach can effectively expand network reach across vast outdoor landscape. And they're also easy to set up, and with a water-resistant IP65 waterproof design, and also offer excellent performance. And for those really remote areas, we have an innovative solution: the solar power wireless network bridges. Now, this setup includes a solar panel, charge controllers, and batteries, allowing your network bridges to operate independently of the power grid. It is a sustainable and reliable option for off-grid installation. And if you're interested, you can check out our other videos about this solution. So to wrap things up, let's summarize the three methods that we covered today: long-range power over Ethernet, fiber optics, and wireless network bridges. Long-range PoE is great for its simplicity and power delivery over extended distances. And fiber optics offer unmatched speed and reliability for very long distances. And wireless network bridges provide flexibility and are ideal for locations where cabling isn't visible, especially when combined with solar power for remote areas. So each of these methods has its own advantages, and the best choice depends on your specific needs and installation environment. Now, thank you very much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorial. And also feel free to drop any questions you have in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.